Welcome to today's PIB update. Let's quickly cover the top news from 26th September. Here is the first question. Prayas, a first-of-its-kind integrated neuro-rehabilitation center, was launched by the All India Institute of Ayurveda located in which state? A. Delhi. B. Karnataka. C. Chandigarh. Or D. Goa. Answer: D. Goa. The Ministry of Ayush launched Prayas, India's first integrated neuro-rehabilitation center, at the All India Institute of Ayurveda in Goa, making it a unique initiative combining Ayurveda, yoga, and modern rehabilitation practices. Second question is, World Tourism Day is observed every year on which date? A. 21st September. B. 27th September. C. 2nd October. Or D. 5th September. Answer: B. 27th September. World Tourism Day is celebrated annually on 27th September, as designated by the United Nations World Tourism Organization. The day highlights the importance of tourism in fostering cultural exchange, economic growth, and sustainable development. Moving on. Consider the following statements about Central Consumer Protection Authority. It was established under the Consumer Protection Act, 2019. It has the power to recall unsafe goods and order discontinuation of unfair trade practices. It functions under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Select the correct option. Answer: B. 1 and 2 only. The Central Consumer Protection Authority was set up under the Consumer Protection Act, 2019, to protect and enforce the rights of consumers. It can order the recall of unsafe goods, ban misleading advertisements, and stop unfair trade practices. It functions under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, not the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Next question is, the Commission for Air Quality Management replaced which authority? A. National Green Tribunal. B. Central Pollution Control Board. C. Environment Pollution Control Authority. Or D. State Pollution Control Boards. Answer: C. Commission for Air Quality Management, established in 2021, is the top body for air quality management in Delhi NCR and nearby states. Recently, as reported by PIB, the body held detailed review meetings with the state governments of Punjab and Haryana to assess preparedness for preventing stubble burning incidents during the paddy harvest season. Fifth question is, the Henley Dark Sky Reserve, which recently hosted its third annual Star Party, is located in which union territory? A. Chandigarh. B. Lakshadweep. C. Jammu and Kashmir. Or D. Ladakh. Answer: D. Ladakh. The Henley Dark Sky Reserve in Ladakh is India's first dark sky reserve, set up to promote astronomy tourism and protect the night sky from light pollution. According to PIB, the reserve recently hosted its third Star Party, bringing together astronomy enthusiasts, researchers, and local communities to celebrate stargazing and astrotourism. Answer this bonus question in the comments. Great job finishing today's PIB MCQs. For more practice, check out these videos. They are packed with the next set of important questions you can't afford to miss. Don't forget to subscribe so you never fall behind in current affairs. See you tomorrow.